Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Nikki of Nikki M Artistry and I am going to be demonstrating a makeup look using my Morphe Gilded Desert eyeshadow palette. If we want to take a look-see and open this up, oh my gosh, we have so many pretty neutral and warm shades in this palette, so I'm very excited to create a really pretty bronzy summery makeup look with this. If you are interested in learning how to create a makeup look or seeing what I do using this palette, keep watching.
Alright, so the first thing I am doing is I am filling my brows in with a dark brown brow pencil. To fill my brows in, I am just making a line right below my brow and right above my brow, connecting them at the tail, and then filling in with very light strokes. Next, I am taking a disposable spoolie brush, and I am using that to kind of feather the pigment from the brow pencil through my brows to make it look a little more smoothed out and natural, and kind of spread all of the product throughout, and also kind of fade the front of my brows to have that ombre effect. Next, I am going in with my P. Louise eye base and using a flat concealer brush, and I am carving out my brows, and I'm going to just put all of that product on my eyelid and pat that all in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, so that way it all makes a nice base and the pigments are going to stand out and be nice and bright. Now we're getting into the fun of the eyeshadow palette. With a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I have taken one of the yellow orangish shades to be my transition shade, and I am working that into my crease using small circles and back and forth windshield wiper motions. Now I am taking a very cool toned light brown from that palette on a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I am working that into my crease just to add some more dimension. After applying that brown shade, I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush to blend that, and then using an angled eyeshadow brush and a very dark brown pigment, I am going to stamp each outer corner of my eye to create a wing, and then blend that dark brown into the outer corners of my eye, going towards the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to pick up my smaller eyeshadow brush again with that cool toned light brown shade, and I'm going to use that to blend with the dark brown shade just to create a nice gradient effect. Now here you can see me comically struggle with the eyeshadow palette to point out the gold shimmer I selected for my lid, and I am patting that on to my lid using a flat eyeshadow brush and then going in to my lash line and smoking out the darker colors underneath. Now using an angled eyeliner brush and the black eyeshadow from the palette, I am using that to create a wing and line my eyes. Next, I am applying my lashes. I am using Kiss lashes in the style Ruffle, along with the Duo lash glue. Now that my eyes are done, I am going to start applying my base. I am using the Mehron Cream Foundation and applying that and buffing it into my skin with a Real Techniques buffer brush. And using Mehron Cream Concealer, I'm going in and concealing under my eye, and then also using that same concealer shade to add some contour highlight to the bridge of my nose, the sides of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Now it's time for all the powders. I'm going to take my RCMA No Color powder and set underneath my eyes, my forehead, anywhere where I get particularly oily. Now I am using a powdered bronzer on a blush brush, and I am doing my contour along my cheekbones, the temples of my forehead, and my hairline, and of course along my jawline. Now I am applying blush to the top of my cheekbones and also to my temple. And when I'm done with that, I'm actually going to go back into my foundation brush and I'm going to kind of blend all of that together so it doesn't look like the contour and the blush is sitting on top of the skin. After that, I'm going to add some gold highlights and use my Jolie Beauty Air Matte Liquid Lipstick to do my lips.
Alright guys, so this is my completed look utilizing the Morphe Gilded Desert palette. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video tutorial. Let me know what kind of looks you would like to see in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and then leave a comment and let me know you subscribed as well, and I will do my best to make sure I respond to every comment and give you a little bit of love back. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time.